Using margin on Schwab can be a powerful tool for investors, but it requires a solid understanding of the concept and its application. Margin is essentially a loan from Schwab that allows you to buy more securities than you could with your available cash. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use margin on Schwab. First, you need to apply for a margin account on the Schwab platform. This involves filling out an application and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once your account is approved, you can start using margin to buy securities. To use margin, you need to have sufficient collateral in your account. This can be in the form of cash, securities, or a combination of both. The value of the securities in your account will be used to determine your available margin. When you buy a security on margin, you are essentially borrowing money from Schwab to pay for the purchase. The amount you can borrow is based on the value of the securities in your account and the margin requirements for the specific security you are buying. For example, if you want to buy 100 shares of stock with a price of $50 per share, and the margin requirement is 50%, you would need to have $2,500 in your account to cover the purchase. This is because the total cost of the purchase is $5,000, and you need to have 50% of that amount in your account. It is essential to keep an eye on your margin balance and ensure that you have sufficient collateral to cover your margin loans. If the value of your securities falls, you may receive a margin call, which requires you to deposit more cash or sell some of your securities to reduce your margin balance. Best practices for using margin on Schwab include setting a budget and sticking to it, diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk, and monitoring your margin balance regularly. It is also crucial to understand the risks associated with margin trading, including the potential for significant losses if the market moves against you. In conclusion, using margin on Schwab can be a valuable tool for investors, but it requires a thorough understanding of the concept and its application. By following the steps outlined in this guide and practicing good risk management, you can use margin to enhance your investment strategy and achieve your financial goals.